If you've been thinking that you're all alone, step outside and look at the moonlit sky, or just look up at the night sky. There, you'll see a tiny speck of light. That's the Andromeda galaxy. It's the farthest object that can be seen with the naked eye. No matter how vast it is, Andromeda is also the galaxy closest to our own Milky Way galaxy. I didn't say it's very close. It's about 2.5 million light-years away. Even if it would take us hundreds of thousands or far longer to travel that distance on the scale of the universe, it's considered relatively close. In the vastness of space, 2.5 million light-years is practically a neighboring galaxy. Our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across, but the Andromeda galaxy is even larger, spanning around 220,000 light-years. It contains significantly more stars than our Milky Way and, naturally, many more planetary systems orbiting those stars as well. Even though the Andromeda galaxy is much larger in size, our Milky Way galaxy is believed to be at least as massive or possibly even more massive than Andromeda. The main reason is that the Milky Way appears to contain a larger amount of dark matter. Since dark matter makes up most of a galaxy's mass, it gives our galaxy a greater overall weight despite its smaller size. If you want to see the Andromeda galaxy, you'll need a clear, moonless night and, most importantly, a place with very little light pollution. Our ancestors probably saw the Andromeda galaxy many times with their own eyes, but they wouldn't have known what it really was because the concept of a galaxy didn't exist back then. To them, it was just a faint, mysterious patch of light in the sky. In the 1920s, the astronomer Edwin Hubble proved that Andromeda wasn't part of the Milky Way. It was an entirely separate galaxy located nearby. This discovery changed our understanding of the universe. It showed that our Milky Way is just one galaxy among billions of galaxies spread across the cosmos. Years later, the Hubble Space Telescope, named in Edwin Hubble's honor, captured breathtaking images of deep space. One of its most famous observations revealed that even a tiny, seemingly empty patch of sky is filled with countless galaxies, confirming just how vast the universe truly is. Astronomers believe the Andromeda galaxy is extremely ancient. They also think it was formed through the merger of two galaxies billions of years ago. One of the clues pointing to this is its unusual double nucleus, which can be observed in detailed telescope images. The center of the Andromeda galaxy is incredibly bright because it contains a dense concentration of stars. This glowing core adds to the beauty of the entire galaxy, making it one of the most stunning sights in the night sky. Perhaps because of its beauty, the galaxy was named Andromeda, after the princess from Greek mythology. At the center of the Andromeda galaxy lies a supermassive black hole. But that's not all. Astronomers have also identified around 30 smaller black hole candidates in its central region, and research is still ongoing to better understand them. Another interesting mystery is the way some of Andromeda's stars move. Instead of following perfectly uniform patterns, certain stars show unusual or uneven motions. One possible explanation is that Andromeda is still interacting with, or even gradually pulling in and merging with a smaller satellite galaxy. If that's true, it means the galaxy is still evolving even today. And that's not all. The Andromeda galaxy is moving toward our Milky Way at a speed of about 89 miles per second. Astronomers predict that in about 4.5 to 5 billion years, the two galaxies will collide and eventually merge into a single, much larger galaxy. It's an incredible event to imagine, but by the time it happens, none of us will be here to witness it. When this cosmic event finally happens, our night sky will be transformed. Over millions of years, the sky would glow brighter, and Andromeda would grow larger and more spectacular until the two galaxies eventually merged. You can get a glimpse of what that might look like in this illustration. And now, take a look at this high-resolution image of the Andromeda galaxy. Every tiny point of light you see is a star, many of them likely surrounded by their own planetary systems, just as our Sun is surrounded by the planets of our solar system. Even with the naked eye, Andromeda appears as a faint smudge in the night sky. Yet hidden within that tiny patch of light is an entire galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars. If a galaxy we can barely see holds so many mysteries, imagine how many more are waiting to be discovered across the rest of the universe. So, are we really alone? Look up at the night sky whenever you can. Sometimes, All it takes is a glance at the universe to remind us how vast it is, and to put our own lives into a new perspective.